Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to change the grille on a BMW 2 Series. First, gather your essential tools, including a trim removal tool, a T20 Torx screwdriver, and a soft cloth to protect your paint. Ensure your vehicle is parked on a level surface with the engine off. Then, open the hood to gain easy access to the upper clips of the kidney grills. This preparation ensures a smooth and damage-free installation process for your new grille. Now, let's remove the old grills. Begin by using your trim removal tool to carefully unclip the top tabs of each grill. There are typically 3 to 4 top clips per grill. Next, gently push the lower tabs inward to release the bottom sections. With all tabs disengaged, pull the old grills straight out from the bumper opening. Take your time to avoid scratching the surrounding paintwork during this step. Installing your new grills is straightforward. First, carefully align each new grill with its corresponding opening in the bumper. Ensure the lower tabs are correctly positioned. Gently push the lower tabs into place until you hear a secure click, indicating they are seated. Then, firmly press the top tabs until they also engage with an audible click. Verify that all 8 to 10 tabs are fully secured for a snug fit. To complete the process, perform a few final checks. Double-check that both new grills are firmly seated and perfectly flush with the bumper, with no gaps. Close the hood and take a moment to admire the refreshed front end of your BMW 2 Series. Finally, use a soft cloth to clean any fingerprints or smudges from the grills and surrounding paintwork. Enjoy your updated look.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.